If you've been wondering how to accept all changes in Grammarly quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to work through Grammarly suggestions so you can clean up your writing without getting stuck clicking every single correction one by one. We'll go step by step inside Google Docs, Word, or the Grammarly editor, and I'll also explain the important difference between bulk accepting and using Grammarly's quick fix workflow. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the document you want to edit. You can do this in Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or directly inside the Grammarly editor. Once your document is open, look for the floating Grammarly icon. This is usually sitting on the side of your screen, and when you click it, Grammarly will open the suggestions sidebar on the right. That sidebar is where all of your writing suggestions live, including grammar fixes, spelling corrections, clarity improvements, and style recommendations. Now, before you start clicking through changes, there's something important to know. Grammarly does not have a single universal accept all button for the entire document. That's intentional because applying every suggestion all at once could accidentally create formatting issues or change text in a way you don't want. So instead of one giant bulk accept button, Grammarly gives you a faster way to review and approve changes one by one. If you're a pro user, you may notice additional card categories in the sidebar, but the process is still the same. Look at the top of the suggestion cards and start with the first one. This is the quickest way to move through your document efficiently while still keeping control over every change. Click the first suggestion card, then choose Accept. The moment you accept that suggestion, Grammarly will instantly apply the change and automatically jump your view to the next correction. That auto jump feature is the real time saver here. Instead of searching around your document after every fix, Grammarly moves you straight to the next issue, so you can keep clicking through the list as fast as you want. This makes it feel almost like bulk accepting, even though you're still reviewing each change individually. If you have a long document, this workflow can save a lot of time and help you polish your writing much faster. As you move through the suggestions, keep an eye on the type of change Grammarly is recommending. Some suggestions are simple grammar fixes, while others may adjust tone, wording, or readability. If a suggestion improves your writing, accept it. If it changes the meaning in a way you don't like, you can skip it and move on to the next one. That's why this method is so useful. You get speed without losing control. So, to recap the process, open your document, click the Grammarly icon to open the sidebar, start with the first suggestion, hit accept, and let Grammarly snap you to the next correction automatically. Repeat that process until you've worked through the full list. It's the cleanest and safest way to accept all changes in Grammarly as quickly as possible. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. And if you want more Grammarly tips, productivity guides, or editing shortcuts, check out the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.